In this video, we will show you how to change your Bliss tubular motors between roller and window shadings mode. Your Bliss tubular motor has two different modes, roller and window shadings. Roller mode will send your shade to the upper or lower limit with a single press of the button. In window shadings mode, the shade will move in short steps when the button is pressed, or continued movement after holding the button for a couple seconds. To switch to window shadings from roller mode, press and hold the up and down buttons on your remote at the same time. After a few seconds, the shade will jog once and you can release the buttons. Next, press the stop button one time. The shade should jog once, followed by one long beep. Your shade is now in window shadings mode. To switch from roller to window shadings mode, follow the same steps as above. After holding up and down, your shade will jog once. This time, when you press the stop button, your shade will jog twice and beep 3 times. This indicates the shade is now in roller mode.